Okay, so this is our first question from review exercise 13, and this is question number 1, part A. So I'm gonna start it. So first of all, you just have to find out the area of the shaded part. Area shaded, that is equal to the total area minus the area which is unshaded. Okay, so let's find out the shaded part first, and for that we need the total area, and for that I'm gonna divide this into, this figure should be equally divided into 4 rectangles of different dimensions. So this is what I'm going to do. Now I have rectangle 1 regardless of the unshaded part. This is rectangle 2, this is 3, this is 4. So for the first part I'm going to use the area shaded. So the total area, actually area total should be equal to the area of the first rectangle plus the area of the second rectangle plus the area of the third rectangle plus the area of the fourth rectangle. And it could be easily found out using the formula for a rectangle, which is something like this. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into the breadth, and the area 1, we can see that this is 13 and the second length is 11, so it's 11 into 13 bracket plus the second, you can see, is 14 plus 13, you get 27 into the second length is 7 plus the third area is you can see 8, and this length is to be found out. This length, this part is to be found out. As you can see, this length is 20 and this is 35. So out of this 35, we already know that this is 20, so this is 35 minus 20, which is 15 centimeters. So it's 15 into 8, 15 into 8 plus the last dimension is 35 into 9. As you can see, it says 35 into 9. So from here we get a total of 767 centimeters square. And after that we need the area of the unshaded part, and we can say that this is this part, or I can use the other color for this one. I'm going to use green color for this unshaded part, and this is the part which is unshaded. So this is also a rectangle, so I'm just gonna take the dimensions for that. Length into breadth, which is length in this case is 12 and the other length is 9, so this is 12 into 9, 108 centimeter squares. So this is the area of the unshaded part, and for the area of the shaded part we just have to deduct the total area, and from that we have to deduct the area of unshaded part, which is something like this: 767 minus 108, that gives you a total of 659 centimeter square. And this is how you calculate the area of the shaded part out of this total figure. So I think this is all.